Hi everybody, Eddie the Mouth out in Buffalo, New York. Looks like we got some deer back here. Got some geese back there too. See them, got a pair of geese. Some goslings soon. Looks like the herd's coming. The moment when the herd rolls in, that's the buffalo herd of deer. Hey, what's up guys? Hey you. What's up? Oh, my doorbell cam just went off. There was motion. I'm betting that there's a deer out front. Walking in front of the doorbell cam coming over too, I'm betting. That's too funny. What's up? Hey. Hey you. What's up? Got this one, huh? What are you guys doing? God, where's the... What's up, guys? I just like watching and observing them, you know. Got one, two back there. I only thought there was one. I didn't even see the second one. That's how good their camouflage is. I wonder if there's going to be ducks this year. See all that water? It used to be ducks when I first moved here. I've been here about 7 years. It used to be ducks. I mean, literally, you could have walked over and picked up a baby duck right out of there. Then the geese chased them out. Literally, the geese took over the pond, or whatever that is, that little swampy area. And then when the coyotes showed up about 2 years ago, they chased the geese out. So, I mean, the geese were here last year, but... What's up, guys? Are you grazing? Doing some grazing. Well, if you guys like the content, oops, camera got a little, almost fell out of my hand to the phone. Like and subscribe.